I'm Francesco. This is my 2018 Subaru BRZ. It's always been like a dream of mine to always own. This is my dream car, so I'm happy that I can finally say I could own it. Worked like 4 years working at the same job trying to get this. And today I'm gonna be showing you how to install a license plate tow hook on the car. I just want to start off by saying that like this is an easy mod. It's not that hard to do. Anyone could do it. If you just bought a car yesterday, never drove before, it's really easy to do and really easy to pick up. Also, I want to also mention that when it comes to buying like a license plate tow hook, you don't need to go like extreme and buy like a $100 tow hook, license plate tow hook. You just need to buy something that's cheap. Like I bought my tow hook for $15 on Amazon and it still does the job perfect. Alright, so this is the frame where you're gonna put the license plate on. It has like different places where you can put your license plate. Also it curves so you can decide if you want to tilt it or not. Also, it comes with the piece that goes into the car and you screw it all the way in as far as it can go. And then it should also come with other stuff. Every tow hook that you buy is different. Like the one I got, it comes with two different pieces that you can decide how far away you want it from the car. I prefer the smaller one because I think that like a lot of space between the bumper and the license plate will look a little too tacky. So I will be using the smaller one. And also it'll just come with like bolts and the rest of the stuff that you need to put it on. And it also comes with a nice Allen key to make life easier. You want to put the tow hook is this little square or trapezoid or whatever it is right there. And if you pop that open, you can see that you can install that's where your tow hook would go. So what you want to do is you kind of just yank that out easy. You don't want to go too hard because you don't want to break it, just in case you do want to take off the license plate and put it back on. Also, another reason why getting a license plate tow hook is very good is because if you were to put the license plate in the front of your car, you would have to drill two holes on the front of your bumper. And let's say you don't want your license plate in there anymore, you're gonna have to live with having two holes in your bumper for the rest of you owning the car. Alright, and then this is also another tool I'll be using to make life a little easier when I'm tightening on the bolts. Also, this is the only tool I have at the moment to use, so yeah. Alright, first what you want to do is obviously take the piece that goes inside the car, and I found it easier to find whatever size you're using, so grab whatever size you're using, screw it in just a couple threads, and then when you put it in, you can tighten this up. And since it's really hard to get a tool between the bumper and the piece, you use that tool, right? You use the extender to use it to give you more leverage to turn it as much as you can. And then when you feel like it's getting tighter and you can't keep turning it with your hand, you want to grab like another tool, just keep turning it. If you just take the bolt, put the washer in, whatever you decide to put it. I'm gonna put it in the center, and then if you put it in with the bolt like that, or with the washer like that, it just stiffs it up and it makes it stable a lot more. So once it's nice and tight and you know it won't go anywhere, after you figure out where you want to place it, then you want to take your plate and then take the other bolts. Alright, and then from here on out it's pretty straightforward. You want to line it up from each 4 holes, and then you want to put each bolt in each hole. What I found out that you just want to screw it on as much as you can with your hands, and then from there you want to just put on another one. And that's because since these holes are longer, you can decide if you want it all the way to the left or all the way to the right. But if you do it all the way to the right, you won't be able to screw in these two on these sides. So if you gotta hold it to the left, and like let's say you tighten it all the way to the right by accident, you're gonna be stuck not being able to put those in. Alright, and that's the final result after you finish screwing on the license plate with the 4 holes. Obviously, depending on what you choose to do, it's not gonna look exactly like that. I just like, personally, it looks better just straight instead of tilted at an angle or up in the corner, but it's whatever you prefer. And yeah, that's it. It's easy as that.
Kevin talking shit, but he knows he's gay. Bro, he even told me he likes 50 Shades of Grey.